Among the most nebulous terms in all of family law is the irretrievable breakdown of marriage. What exactly does that mean? You've probably heard from other states something called irreconcilable differences, which is another term used to mean that the marriage is broken. It cannot be retrieved, it cannot be reversed, and the parties are ready for a final judgment for dissolution, which in the state of Florida essentially means divorce. Dissolution of marriage means divorce. Sometimes this can be confusing as well because clients will ask us, I see a document that you sent me for your review. It is called a petition for dissolution of marriage. What are we dissolving here? And then I respond that that is legalese in the state of Florida that has been determined to mean that you're going to get a divorce. It could very easily be called a petition for divorce, but that is not the legal phrase that we use in our state. And because it is not the phrase we use in our state, that is not the one that we generally use with you, unless we're describing it in greater detail for purposes of clarification. But the irretrievable breakdown of a marriage means that nothing can save it. And in Florida, because this is a no-fault divorce state, as you may have learned from one of our other videos or from reading one of our articles or somewhere else, because Florida is a no-fault divorce state, you do not have to prove a reason such as infidelity or bankruptcy or terrible behavior of some other kind in order to obtain a divorce in our state. Rather, what you have to show is that you prefer to get a divorce, it's what you want, and you're generally going to be granted a dissolution of marriage, final judgment by the court, depending on the stage of your case and whether or not it is contested or uncontested. That influences the amount of time that it may require for us to help you obtain that judgment. The irretrievable breakdown of marriage is stating to the court your marriage cannot be saved, something has happened or many things have happened, and this is your preference. It can be because somebody has changed their behavior, you've grown in different directions, or maybe you disapprove of that other person's career or disapprove of their life choices. But those are specific circumstances that are unique to you in your case. There is no one requirement and one reason for a divorce. And in the state of Florida, it is not required that you prove anything beyond that rather nebulous and umbrella-like concept that your marriage is broken, which is a strong term. It cannot be recovered, it cannot be repaired, it cannot be pieced together. Thank you very much.